Hello friends, my name is Vikas Shinde. I am going to announce a freshers recruitment drive. If you are a fresher and looking to start your career in IT industry, then you will be getting a wonderful opportunity today. Now, let me share the details about this drive. But before that, I would like to make an announcement. If you are fresher and looking for job opportunities, then you can join our WhatsApp group. Vibrant Minds WhatsApp group are specifically created for the freshers, and you can keep getting job opportunities through these WhatsApp groups. So if you haven't joined, please join today only. Okay. I'll be sharing the link and everything. Please pay attention. Now let me start with the today's recruitment drive. Today's recruitment drive is specifically for freshers, and here are the details. Okay. Now, so name of the company is eGain. eGain Fresher Recruitment Drive, and package is up to 6 lakhs per annum. Please note that this recruitment drive is organized by Vibrant Minds, and name of the company, the hiring company is eGain Communication Pune. Okay. Now let's understand more details about this company. So let me start. So eGain Communication is hiring for freshers, and here package is between 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. And this is Pune-based company. If you are a fresher and looking to start your career in IT industry, then this is a wonderful opportunity for you. Now, first of all, before that, I would like to share some details about Vibrant Minds Technologies. As a Vibrant Minds Technologies, we are into campus recruitment, assessment, and IT training. It's been more than 10 years now. We are bridging the gap between the candidates, colleges, and companies. By organizing a lot of recruitment drives, we help colleges to increase the placement, as well as we help companies to hire the talent. Now, we have an excellent reach across India. We have organized campus drives across India in multiple states, as well as, of course, in Pune also. And we are partnered with 300 plus companies, and our simple policy is candidate first. This recruitment drive is completely free of cost for all eligible candidates. So if you are eligible according to the criteria and everything, then you can apply for this opportunity. There will be no charges to any candidate anywhere. We do not charge to the colleges, we do not charge to the companies or candidates for such recruitment drives. Okay, open recruitment drive. Now, let me start with the further details. So, about eGain Communication. eGain Communication is a company that is trusted by Fortune 500 clients and government agencies. Okay. Now, eGain Communication, if you want to understand about the work culture, where they are present, what are the kind of products or the services they provide, please visit eGain Communication website. Okay. Now, next. Drive highlights or eligibility. This recruitment drive is for eGain Communication eGain Communication Private Limited, and job location is Pune. Work schedule is Monday to Friday. Experience is fresher. Okay. Now, eligibility criteria, all BTech candidates, all branches are allowed. And the most important thing, if your pass out year is 2024, 2025, and 2026, then you can apply for this opportunity. And the best thing is there is no percentage criteria. So please do not forget to share this opportunity with your friends also. Ask them to apply as soon as possible. Candidates, those who are from 24, 25, or 26 batches can apply. There is no percentage and branch criteria. And the package is between 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. Okay. Please note that the package is between 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. And this recruitment drive is open for all candidates across India. Okay. So please do not forget to share this opportunity and the updates with your friends, classmates, batchmates, or relatives. Now let's understand about the position. The name of the position is Junior Quality Engineer Automation. And for this, you need to have a Java or Python programming skill. With that, you need to have very good understanding about QA processes and methodologies, as well as like API testing and related to QA testing. Then SQL and database validation. You should have understanding about debugging and troubleshooting. This is very important. Analytical mindset. All these skills are required if you want to get placed in this company. And the most important thing, that is communication skill. English communication skills should be excellent. Okay. Now let's understand more about process. Okay. Now this company is hiring for freshers, and the first round is group discussion. That is a pre-screening round. Then second test is communication test. Okay. There will be duration. There will be two levels, C1 and C1, sorry, C1 and C2, and the duration will be 45 minutes. Prior to that, a group discussion will be conducted. If you clear these rounds, then there will be aptitude test. Again, it will be online test, and duration is 45 minutes. Logical and numerical reasoning. Then technical test, that is the 1.5 hours. Open source technical assessment will be there. Then technical interviews will be conducted, and final evaluation will be there. Okay, so these are the multiple rounds which you need to face. Okay, now few important information about this drive. This is the open drive. There are no charges, which I have already mentioned. You need to be very technically very sound, and you need to crack the online assessment. And for online assessment, please, before appearing for any test, please check your technical readiness, like Wi-Fi connection, camera and mic and everything. Okay, here, if you provide any wrong information, then you will be immediately disqualified. Okay, we do not charge to the candidates, colleges and companies at any stage. I have already mentioned. As a VibrantMinds, we are into training also, which I have already mentioned, and we are going to start with a Java full stack course. I mean, like a new batch of Java full stack course that is starting in this month. If you are interested to upskill, please visit VibrantMinds office as soon as possible. Okay, so VibrantMinds is providing, or VibrantMinds provides unlimited placement call to the candidate, those who are getting trained on our Java full stack course. Okay. Now, if you are a fresher and looking for more job opportunities, please subscribe to our channel. And here is a QR code. You can take a screenshot of this page, and you can scan, and you can subscribe to VibrantMinds YouTube channel. Okay, to keep getting further opportunities or more job opportunities. These are few recruitment drives which we have organized in the past. Offline drives, multiple colleges, multiple cities, job fairs, lot of things are there. Now, here, I would like to share that if you want to apply for this opportunity, then click on link mentioned in the video description. Below this video, there is a description. In that description, apply link is mentioned with a deadline and everything. Okay, guys, please do not forget to share this opportunity with your friends from 24, 25 and 26 batch. Forward this to the candidate, those who are looking to start their career with a package up to 6 lakhs per annum. And thank you so much for listening, and best of luck for your future. Thank you so much, guys.